Small tomatoes are now sliced and it's in the cookie sheet and it's ready for sun drying. So obviously here on the porch it's hot, the sun is shining. It can or it could sun dry naturally from here, but because it's humid it may not dry as quick. So I will just let it sit here for a while, and when the car gets the sun directly, then I will transfer this tray in the car. Okay, I hope there won't be any flies landing on this. Okay, I'll update later. It's hot enough, so I'm gonna put it inside the car. It's hot enough. I'm gonna put this on. There you go. It's a big oven here. It's hot. We leave it here for a day or two. It should be dry. We'll check it later, okay? Okay, let's check the tomatoes that I sun-dried, that I baked inside the car. It smells like tomato in here. Okay. Wow, looks good. They are shriveled. Maybe I could flip them over so that the underside, yeah, this one I already did this morning. Wow, it looks good. So this is day 2. We're sun drying it. Or maybe I don't have to. Okay, maybe on the 3rd day this should be ready. These are smaller tomatoes, so it won't take time. It won't take a lot of time to sun dry them. So obviously the smaller ones are ready actually. They are dried or dehydrated. I'll wait until tomorrow, so that would be the 3rd day. And the bigger ones will probably be ready, or maybe I can just separate the ready ones and just leave the thicker ones here. Okay, I'll update maybe on the 3rd day everything's ready.